Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram links in bio not working. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that you're putting the link in the correct field. For that, we're going to be heading over to our profile icon, tap on edit profile, and make sure that you are putting your link where there is written as add link, not in your bio. If you add your link in your bio, then it will not show. It will show up, but it will not be clickable. If your link is inside add link and is still not working, it sometimes may be a network issue in which you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try uploading the link one more time to see if that works. You may also have to check your app and browser settings to make sure that the allow opening links is turned on. The other thing, it may be an app glitch, in which case you'll have to open settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, and clear the storage and cache of Instagram. You must also try and test the link elsewhere to see that the link is not the problem. If everything is working perfectly and the Instagram still does not show your link, you may have to report the problem to Instagram, as it may be a problem on their side. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.